Welcome to the Good Father channel. On this beautiful weekend, we will share again wall art decoration, which you can download by clicking the link in the description of this video. This file can only be used for personal needs, not for sale. This Monstera plant-themed wall art is very suitable to decorate the living room, bedroom in your home, so that it can change the blank walls of your house to be more beautiful. Finally, happy weekend. Don't forget to like, share and also subscribe. Thank you.
Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. With crimson secrets and forbidden bliss, can't stay still, don't stop that thrill. My bones crave your skin, temptation within, mistakes ignite the silence. Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my